So now we are going to talk about indices. So in this indices already you all know about it. So now I'm going to explain it. So indices is nothing but that is a law of indices is nothing but of a rule that we are going to apply. So for positive and negative indices where there will be there. So you are going to write the power. So a is equal to a to the power of 1. Likewise, a into a means a into a to the power of 2. That is 2 times. So you all know the times, cubes and power 4. Likewise, it goes on like this. Law of indices. So in this law of indices, first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. That is, if you are having the multiplication, that is dot is called multiplication. Its multiplication is converted to plus. So multiplication, that is product, is plus. When we are having a division, that is equal to minus. The same example, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So first problem, 5 to the power of q, base is 5 into 5 base is power of 2. So this is in the multiplication. So multiplication in integers automatically is converted to, the power is converted to plus. Base, both the base are same. So we are taking 5 to the power of 3 plus 2. That is 5 to the power of 5 is the answer. Then 4 divided by 7 the whole power 2 into 4 divided by 7 the whole power 3 is equal to both the base are same. So we are taking the base as a common one. The power we are adding. So multiplication we are going to add it. So 2 into 3 is we are converting into 2 plus 3. So 4 divided by 7 the base same power of 5. So what likewise this is a negative indices minus 3, but the power is 4 and 6. So whatever may be the base, the base is same, we can take it base as an equal. Minus 3 to the power of 10 is equal to, that is converted into 3 to the power of 10. So likewise it goes on. So when you are coming to the division, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Already I have told you, no, division is equal to minus. So a to the power of m minus n. That is equal to, if you are having a more than the power in the denominator, the power is higher, we can write it 1 instead of m minus n, both the minus are மாறிடும். So அந்த மாதிரி இல்லாம கீழ இருக்கிற power higher இருந்துச்சுன்னா instead of we are doing 1 divided by n minus m. So you can see the problem when you are doing the problem, you can able to understand it. So here the 5 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 2, both the base are same. So we are taking base as 5 and 3 minus 2. So 5 to the power of 1. Here 4 to the power of 6, 4 to the power of 8. Here the denominator power is higher than the upper limit. So how to do it? Likewise, this formula is applied here. 1 divided by n minus m, that is 8 minus 6. So 1 divided by 4 to the power of 2. So 4 to the power of 2 means how many times? 4 into 2, 16. Likewise, we have to do. Here a to the power of 0. A to the power of m minus m, both the power of same means we can get a to the power of 0. That is also a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m is equal to 1. So please note it down. A to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Then coming to the next, a to the power of m the whole power n. So we have to multiply both this m into n. That is a to the power of m into n. For example, 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 7. The whole power of 7. That is 3 to the power of 4. The whole power of 7 is 3 into 4 into 7. 4 into 7. Here a to the power of 3 power of whole power of n plus 1. So we have to multiply the 3 in n plus 1. So 3n plus 3. Likewise here ab the whole power m means a to the power of m into b to the power of, here this m, not n, b to the power of m. So when we are coming to this example, 4 into 5 the whole power of 3 means 4 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3. The base are different. So we cannot give the same base, but we have to give it separately for each and every base. So here x and y the whole power of 4 means x to the power of 4 into y to the power of 4. Likewise, minus whatever may be the positive or negative, we have to follow the same thing. Minus 4 into 7 the whole power of 5 is equal to minus 4 the whole power of 5 into 7 to the power of 5. So likewise, this goes on. A divided by m the whole power of m, that means a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So when we apply it on the formula, 11 divided by 7 the whole power 6 is 11 to the power of 6 divided by 7 to the power of 6. 3 divided by minus 4 the whole power 2 is 3 to the power of 2 divided by minus 4 to the power of 2. So 3 into 3, 9, minus 4 into minus 4, 16. So when we are doing the sum problems, simplifications, here they have given a to the power of 0 plus 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the 3. So the 3 to the power of nothing is giving is considered as 1. So a to the power of 0, we all know that is considered as a 1. Both the base are same. So 3 to the power of into we are converting it to plus. The power we converting to the plus. 2 plus 1. So when we are do that times time, 1 plus 3 into 3 into 3. So 1 plus 27, 28 is the answer. Then coming to the next problem, 4 to the power of 12 into 4 to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 6. Here these two both are same. These two base are same. 5 to the power of 0 automatically converted to 1. Any base to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 4, both the base are same. So we are taking 4 to the power of 12 plus 3 minus 5 to the power of 0 into both the base are same. So 5 to the power of 5 plus 6. So 4 to the power of 15 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 11. So when we are converting all these things, you will be having this one. Then a to the power of 4 divided by a to the power of 3. That means division. So division automatically converted to minus a to the power of 1. Okay. Girls, please note it down. A to the power of 1 cannot be equal to 0. Okay. Power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Coming to the next one, 10 to the power of 10, 11 to the power of 10 divided by 10 plus 1 to the power of 4. That means 10 to 11 to the power of 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 to the power of 4. So both are in division. So base are same. So we are taking the base same division. So we are doing it in a minus. Likewise, it goes on like this. 2 into 3 to the power of 4. We are doing separately. So multiplications 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. So 2 4 times, 3 4 times. When we multiply it, we'll be getting this answer. So all these problems will be like this only. So illustration 2, illustration 1, the same thing what we have did. When coming to the C, that is C problem, 5x square divided by 2y square the whole power of 3. That means 5 to the power of 3 into x to the power of 2 the whole power 3. So likewise we have to separately write all these things. 2 to the power of 3 the whole power 3 new. So 2 to the power of 3 into y to the power of 2 the whole power of 3. That means 5 to the power of 3 is 125. 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 3 times 125 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So x to the power of 6. Then 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 8. 8 into y to the power of 8. So likewise, it goes on like this. 5 into a to the power of 3 into b to the power of 2 the whole power 3. So 5 to the power of 3 into a to the power of 3 to the power of 3 into b to the power of 2 the whole power 3. So the whole power 3 is separately we are giving all this informations. So the 5 to the power of 3 is 125. Then a to the power of 3 into 3, 9. B to the power of 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 to the power of 3 the whole power 2. Girls, please note it down. 3 to the power of 2, not the whole power 2. So that means 3 2 times. Girls, note it down. This is not a whole power of 2. 3 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. That means 3 have to be converted into 2 times. 3 into 3, 9. So 2 to the power of 9. So 2 has to be 9 times we have to multiply. So please consider this is noted down here also. This cannot be equal to this. They are not giving any brackets. So that cannot be considered as a whole power of 2. That is, this should be considered as 3 to the power of 2. So first either convert panita, adukapram nama times a pannu. So we are converting the base into power of 3. So power of 3 ku idha convert panna sollikanga, that is called express form. So 87 to the power of 7 has to be converted into 2 to the power of 3 power 3. So that means 81 la ethana 3s irukku, we have to note it down. 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. So that means 3 to the power of 4 the whole power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 3. So 4 7s are 28. So 3, when we are division, we can convert it into minus 3 to the power of 28 minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 25. So a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 divided by a to the power of m. So in this problem, they have do it a to the power of minus 3 na every eduthanum sollikanga. So 1 போட்டு பண்ணிட்டோம்னா minus 3 will be cancelled. So likewise, all the problem has been done here. Then coming to this formula, p to the power of n is equal to q. That is nth root of q is denoted as p is equal to square root of nth root of q. That is p to the power of 2 is equal to q square, that is square root of qp is equal to 2 to the square root of q. A1 by n is equal to nth root of, we have to write it like this, square root of nth of a. So 1 by 2 means this 2 is in the nth. Square root of x to the power of nth root of 2. So likewise, square root of x is 3, is nth root is 3. So likewise, we have to write all these things. When coming to the problem, 16 1 by 2, square root of 16, nth is 2. 64 1 by 3, square root of 64, 3. Then 16 3 the whole power of 1/4. How to write it? 2 to the power of 4 is 16, the whole power of 3 by 4. So when we cancel these 4, you will be getting 2 to the power of 3. When coming to the minus, square, that is 2 by 5 they have given. So square root of minus 32 the whole power of 2. This base 1 by n, this nth root here. Okay, so when we converted this square root of 5, 32 the whole power of 2, square root of minus can be cancelled. Then 32, how many 2's are there? 2 to the power of 5 is 32, the whole power of 2. So when we multiply 3 into 2, you will be getting 10. So the 5 is the nth root. So likewise, we have to do all these problems. So 2 to the power of minus 4 minus 5 is into la irukudhu. So that can be converted into 1 divided by 2 to the power of 4 into 1 divided by 2 to the power of 5. That is 1 divided by 2 to the power of 4 plus 5. 1 by 2 to the power of 9. So next problem, 5 into a to the power of 0. You all know a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So that we have given 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Then 4 to the power of 3 into 0. Any number is multiplied with 0, you will be getting 0. So 4 to the power of 0. So you all know 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 3 to the power of minus 4 divided by 2 to the power of minus 5. That is an denominator having a higher value. So we are converting this into like this. 1 divided by 3 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 5 divided by 1. So this automatically reverse it. So when we multiply these, 2 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 4. So likewise, we have to do all these problems. So illustration 5, illustration 6, same thing. Illustration 7 also a homework problem. Illustration 9. So up to this, you have to do it.